stainless in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless, I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring.
Tesla has shared a new video showing what appears to be the first Cybertruck crash test. The 37-second video was shared on Twitter, but we never actually get to see the moment of impact, leading to speculation it could be a cruel April Fool's joke from Tesla. The Cybertruck was first unveiled in 2019, and since then has become the most anticipated electric vehicle (EV), with over 1.5 million reservations and counting. After several delays, the Cybertruck is expected to enter production this summer, and the automaker appears to be on track to meet that timeline as the number of sightings of the Cybertruck testing on public roads has increased in the last few weeks. On Saturday morning, Tesla hyped the anticipation even further, sharing a video of the Cybertruck in the automaker's crash lab. With excited employees in the background looking on, we see the Cybertruck speeding towards the concrete wall from several different angles, but in each clip the video cuts as the front end of the Cybertruck is millimeters away from impact.